but this is luxury to some other level. Really, I want to come and stay here. बहुत सारा प्यार डालते हैं, बहुत सारा कारीगरी लेकिन please tell these idiots not to throw these things around. Please tell these idiots to clean up. Bigg Boss is creating Tandav as such. Eviction set is very crazy. वो आपको दिखेगा obviously weekend के बार में ही.
Bigg Boss 18 is set to launch on October 6th, and today we have the art director Omung Kumar with us. Omung, what a fabulous house! Just amazed by the beauty. You tell us more about it.
Thank you so much for having me, and yes, like to every time surprise people, and we've trying to outdo every time that we meet you also in all different places. कब circus हो गया, कब European theme हो गया. This time it's a very different set. It's something very Indian, and we have workmanship. प्री हिस्टोरिक वर्कमैनशिप जो सब लोग करते थे और कार्विंग कैसे करते थे, इतने डिटेल वर्क करते थे. सो वी थॉट कि विल टेक दैट, मेक इट अ केव होटल. नेवर थॉट अबाउट, नेवर सीन इन इंडियन स्टाइल, दो वी हैव सीन आवर अजंताज एंड अलोरा वेयर यू कैन सी द पेंटिंग्स ऑन, बट अ होटल इट्स ओनली दैट टर्की में व्हेन आई वेंट आई स्टेड देयर इन अ रियल केव एंड ऑल. आई वाज वेरी इंट्रिग्ड, दैट वाज वे इयर्स बैक, बट दिस टाइम व्हेन क्या बिग बॉस इज creating Tandav as such, so past, present and future is what he's going to play with. For me, past was the cave, getting into the paintings and all. Present is what you live in. Future there are lots of things that is going to open up for, what is the future. But this is luxury to some other level. Really, I want to come and stay here. It's that beautiful for me.
So you'll show us the house?
Yes, please.
But tell me, Omung, past, present, and future. If I talk about past, like which has been your favorite house that you've designed?
So, like I mentioned, the circus one and the European one, we stood out. Okay, we've done lots of water theme, this, that, but those stood out because they were very close to me. This is maybe father. मैंने वो सोचा circus is what I say. No, I love this place. अच्छा, where you saw that place is the place where Salman is gonna talk to all the contestants, and these faces are gonna watch you from outside. So the moment you come over here, this is your living room. In the sense, वो living हो गया, ये dining cum living room है. This we've expanded and opened the whole area. But like the niches that we've done is levels. The going up, वहाँ गदला हो गया, यहाँ different steps. So like how go in a cave, तो हर एक level straight नहीं होता. So that's what we try to create. My highlight of this whole house is this mega beautiful face. When I was designing, the face was the highlight. Generally, I put faces on all my sets. But when I designed, I said, yes, this is what it is. But जब बन गया ना, then I said, oh shit, it's not turning the way I want. क्या करूँ? Then I said, no. If I show you the previous and right now, I said, give me a cutter. तो cutter लेके मैं बोला काट दो face को. Okay, like stone cracks. So it's so many years it's cracked. But why should it be plain? Then we put gold leafing inside. Then it was not looking so nice. So I said, okay, I add that, it should not be God. So it's like a prince, son. So we added a necklace, we added this crown, and suddenly the magic, I went, wow. Then Sone pe Suhaga jo hota hai, is this to complete. This is where Vanita comes in. Oh shit, wow, it looks beautiful. So these are complementing each other, but you get excited by your own work. And that's how this set happens.
And which is your favorite corner in the house?
So yes, the favorite corner is this. I'm betting that people are going to use this a lot. So this is the place where people are going to sit and watch everyone around. नीचे कौन बैठा हुआ है, ऊपर क्या है. So this is my favorite and it looks very pretty. The moment it was coming alive, every day we were getting excited. Oh wow, now I like it. This, getting a stone pillar in the middle. ये क्या है? So you can see that is the full pillar. That's half the pillar and this is one more pillar. और एक pillar का तो वो मैं बाहर निकाल दिया. But yes, there are obstructions. That's why we added more, cameras. The other highlight.
It's very interesting. The dining table.
Okay, broken down into 3 pieces, which are the 3 rocks put together, and how a table will form. Same, everything is a pillar that you sit on. Obviously, ये कल तक पूरा कड़क था. अभी मैंने उसको padding डाल दिया because people should not, be वाला. But like इस जब यहाँ बैठेंगे तो पीछे कौन बैठा है, उसका area क्या है. We've added a mezzanine on top, so that gives you a different. Tonality of how people are going to, look up and down. वही सोच के करते हैं कि किधर places मिलेंगे बैठने के लिए. And the other crazy place is the kitchen that you see. Okay, kitchen is again a cave niche which is cut, and the pots and pans are kept inside very beautifully. And every year, जो मेरे से सबसे ज़्यादा irritating था वो chimney था. Okay, chimney I used to hate. Why? निकालो, नहीं chimney तो चाहिए. So this time if you see that chimney, it's the highlight. Now it's become so beautiful. You know, समय जो होता है तो light करके. Now I said, now we're talking. You know, so, and after this, what the crazy part is, when how people are gonna play, is the kitchen, the bedroom that you go up. उसके बीच में है एक jail. Okay, so this jail is where people are gonna be, you know, spooked because you're gonna live actually in a cave like how you would be in Ajanta, Ellora with a khadda in below. So I like these changes that are happen physically, and more, you know what, drama will come with this.
Two more questions I have, Umang. One is when you see the house being so unhygienic, like kept so unhygienic, it's so dirty. How do you feel about it?
Whatever Salman ji or whatever Bigg Boss shouts, those are the messages me and my wife keep sending every night to Tushar, who's the creative person. And please tell these idiots not to throw these things around. अभी भी जो bathroom में मैंने किया है एक बड़ा सा nice water thing which is a fake water, but we know that will be ruined by the towels and the chaddis and whatever they're gonna plonk on that. And they told me. First message Umang will send me in the first day, please tell these idiots to clean up. No, बहुत गुस्सा आता है. घर में भी ऐसे ही रहते हैं कि गधे लोग. Sorry, but yes, it's clean house. And so जो भी before after का आया था ना last time, वो मेरा था. I sent before was this, after is I took a picture and sent them. That's how Salman and Bigg Boss said, please, Omung Kumar is irritated.
Umang, two things. One, you've also added some personal paintings, that what we've heard, and also tell us the cameras, how many cameras are there this season.
So personal paintings, yes. This and this is my personal painting. This one is sold. It's in Singapore, but I wanted, so I've just repainted it over here. This is my painting that is very, you know, personal to me. So these two I said, okay, let it be a highlight. Obviously, a gold leafing and all makes it more. Thoda to color dalna tha, so that's what the color is. As far as the camera goes, yes, if you can see in the bedroom, there are lots of pillars again. So more cameras have been added. The whole 107 cameras in total is in this house, which is exceeded from last time also.
Yes. And tell us what can we expect in Salman Chalet? That is also a curiosity factor that a lot of people have.
So Salman Chalet is the same this time. Maybe next year we'll change it, but this time is the same. Eviction set is very crazy. वो आपको दिखेगा obviously weekend के बार में ही. But हाँ, इसको match करते हुए वहाँ का भी एक area है that we have created.
Yeah. And before we let you go, Umang, I wanted to ask you, like every season when you make it, when it gets dismantled for a new season, like how do you feel? Because you put so much effort, like you mentioned, more than a month to design it, to put this up. Like how do you feel about it?
It always hurts कि you know टूट जाएगा यार. But 3 महीने देखने के बाद देखना चलो यार तोड़ो उसको दूसरा कुछ लेके आओ. No, I really feel because बहुत सारा प्यार डालते हैं, बहुत सारा कारीगर, like this face, I just want to keep it in my backyard. It's that beautiful, you know. It's like, so you do feel, you know, but excitement is there. What next? What is the next?
So Umang was in a hurry and had to leave. So the parts of the house that he's missed showing it to you, let me show it to you guys. So this is the garden area, which has been interestingly divided in 3 sections. It's past, present and future. And this is a very beach themed washroom bathroom area of the Bigg Boss 18 house. There are a lot of mirrors, as you can see, and pastel color flowers, and this is the place where everyone will be getting ready. Also, I must add that this is also the area where a lot of drama happens. If you remember how in Bigg Boss 16 we saw Charlene and Tina have their biggest fight in the washroom area, because it's mostly they can spend time in solitude. So this is the place which will actually see a lot of drama in the coming season. जो करता है किचन पे राज, उसके ही सर होता है बिग बॉस का ताज. As you know, everyone who's been in the kitchen, who's ruled over the kitchen, has managed to win the trophy, from Shilpa Shende to Juhi Parmar, Urvashi Dholakia, Shweta Tiwari. I think the list is just endless. This time the kitchen is beautifully designed. I just love the cutleries here, which is all done in golden. It just gives a very royal touch, and you actually start feeling like cooking as soon as you enter this Bigg Boss 18 kitchen. There are, of course, the basic amenities, be it the filter, of course, the microwave. The fridge, interestingly, looks very like a part of the stone carving. As you can see, this is the fridge. and the wallpaper has been done amazingly so that it looks like a part of the stone wall. So this is the kitchen, and be assured that whoever you see cooking in the kitchen this season will definitely manage to win hearts. This time it's Time Ka Tandav. The theme is Time Ka Tandav. I think Bigg Boss contestants will going to have a lot of time in hand because the Bigg Boss art designers have very interestingly put a lot of sitting area where contestants can actually spend their time chatting, knowing each other, and of course planning and plotting. Omung Kumar was telling us how Bigg Boss this season will be not telling you Bigg Boss चाहते हैं but he'll be actually saying Bigg Boss जानते, because Bigg Boss will have all the updates. And as I told you, from here you can see the entire house clearly, and I think Bigg Boss की जो आँख होती है ना वो यहीं कहीं होगी, because he can definitely keep a close tab of the house. The season definitely is going to be very interesting, because not just about the setting but also the contestants. The most important part, I think, of the Bigg Boss house is definitely the bedroom, because it not just gives contestants a chance to actually bond, because you are of course spending a lot of time here, but it also helps a lot of contestants to romance. Yes, a lot of love stories bloom in the Bigg Boss house, and the bedroom is one place where they get time to spend with each other and know each other well. This season, of course, there are a lot of leveling. Like, I think contestants would be getting tired because they're just going up and down through the house. The bedroom is definitely designed like it's part of a cave, and because it's at least 3 steps down, you actually feel like you've come into a cave. And I think spending time would be very, very interesting here. Bigg Boss 18, of course, as you know, will be launching on October 6th on Colors. Definitely Salman is back as the host, and this is the house as we've been showing you.